Hi guys, so today we have our first unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing the new Nikon D6 camera. It's the digital SLR camera, the flagship model of the Nikon line of cameras. I am of course a Nikon shooter and I shoot both with the rifle and with the camera. Unfortunately both my hobbies are very expensive, but I try and balance them as much as I can. So here we are. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we are unboxing. So we have the usual documentation. Now if you have a look, the serial number is 7600006. So 600 is something that I have also shot as well in my shooting. It's very similar. So you have the 2 years comprehensive warranty with the camera. The camera in India also comes along with a 120 gig XQD memory card and also the new XQD plug-in adapter for the XQD to USB, and it becomes much easier than the earlier wired ones that we had, which I will just show you as this one, which has the wire and then you plug it in. So the new one is quite cool and easy to carry. We have the user's manual. We have the new D6 branded strap. We have the wire modulators to fix on the camera so that the wires are not untangled and can be routed. We have the power cord. We have the USB-C. The new Nikon generation cameras, whether it was the Z7 or the Z6, now come with the USB-C, which makes it very easy to transfer and also probably charge the camera's battery. Battery, it's ENEL18C. It's a 2500 milliampere battery. We also have the dual MH26A charger, which has the capacity to charge 2 batteries together, and it also indicates charge level of each battery on, and you can also check and calibrate your batteries through this charger. And there is the beast coming out of the box. Drum roll, and there is the new Nikon D6. It looks pretty cool, slightly different from the earlier predecessor D5. If you see, Nikon Corporation made in Japan. Quite an impressive. It has the new change in the module. This is the new GPS module, and it also comes with this new hot shoe protector. The earlier ones were a plastic fill-in kind of a protector. This actually is a rubber protector, which has a plastic part in it as well, so you can actually put it on this way, and it also acts like a rubber bumper on the top of the camera, so you kind of bump it around and it kind of doesn't damage the hot shoe or the camera body. The dust proofing on this camera is a little different than before. If you see the dials and the modes, this part is a little different, slightly higher as well, and overall looks quite amazing. The new part in this D6 is also the Kensington lock. So this is the new Kensington lock. So especially when you have $10,000 lenses attached to a camera and you're sitting in a stadium and you need to go out to kind of get a leak or go to the washroom, you want the cameras to be safe and you can tie them up. You don't want anybody to just take the cameras off and run away. So on this side you have all the usual attachments and accessories ports. You have the remote control port, you have the wireless, you have the mic, you have the headphones, you have the HDMI out, and you have the USB-C jack. So it feels really nice. It feels really good to be holding this in the hand, because the moment you hold this in your hand, you feel that there's no difference in the terms of how the camera is feeling in your hand. It's very similar. You put the battery in, because you can do it either ways. You can attach the battery to the cover and then put it in, or this way. I'm going to be attaching the 24-70 2.8 lens. Feels really nice. Feels solid. So guys, this was the unboxing video of the new Nikon, and I hope that you will love the camera when you go out and shoot with it. So happy shooting and enjoy.